The world of aviation is changing. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is now a major part of this change. AI is helping to make flying safer and more efficient. This technology is making a big difference in how airplanes are controlled and maintained. AI can analyze large amounts of data. This helps aviation experts make better decisions. From managing busy airspaces to predicting potential aircraft failures, AI is transforming the way we fly. In the following sections, we will explore the exciting applications of AI in air traffic control and aircraft maintenance. Air traffic control is a complex and demanding job. AI is making this job easier and safer. With AI, air traffic controllers can manage more flights. AI systems can predict flight paths and potential conflicts. This allows for better planning and quicker response times. For example, AI can reroute planes to avoid bad weather. AI makes air travel smoother and more efficient. Keeping airplanes in top condition is crucial. This is where AI-powered predictive maintenance comes in. Instead of relying on scheduled inspections, airlines are now using AI to anticipate potential problems. AI analyzes data from sensors on the plane. These sensors monitor things like engine performance and tire pressure. If a problem is detected, the system alerts maintenance crews. This allows them to fix problems before they become serious. AI is revolutionizing aviation. AI is making flying safer and more efficient. Smart air traffic control systems are improving safety and reducing delays. Predictive maintenance is keeping planes in the air longer. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even greater advancements in the future. We can look forward to a future where flying is not only safer and more efficient, but also more environmentally friendly.